Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Raifatur Rahman Ratu.
Hello guys, my name is Ades Faisal Pradana.
I'm from Kupang, Nusa Tenggara, and I'm fresh graduate from Trisakti University.
I'm student at Accounting Professional Education Trisakti University.
And now I'm continue my education in Accounting Professional Education in Trisakti University. Are you have planning to invest in Indonesia company? If you dare, and this is video for you. We start from business model Telkomsel for business activities engaged in the telecommunication service and network operator sector, and source income from tower rental, fixed broadband, fixed voice, digital, and IPTV. And then next is cloud and or enterprise and Simpati mobile. And for target market, Telkomsel Indonesia is Indonesia, of course. And I relate to legal case. Until I made this video, I didn't find a legal case with Telkomsel. And for share ownership is owned by the state of 52%, and public is 48%. And in terms of assets, also increased by 11.6%, 6%, and the total asset owned by Telkomsel from 2016 amount to 179,600, and from 2017 is 198 500 billion rupiah, and then 2018 is 200 billion rupiah, and for 2009 is 221 billion rupiah, and last 2020 is 246,900 billion rupiah. And in terms of liabilities, also increased by 21.3%.
In aspect of equity in 2020, Telkom has increased 3.1% from 2019. In aspect of revenue from 2016 until 2020, it has consistently increased. For 2020, there is an increase of 0.7% from 2019. And then, in aspect of net profit, increased by 11.15%. And guys, next I will explain the financial ratio of Telkom. The first is NPM, or net profit margin. For 2020, I think the NPM is good because in aspect of income, it increased just 0.7%, but NPM can increase 10% from the previous year. Historically, from 2016 until 2020, NPM saw good performance with an average of around 13% until 15%. In aspect of EPS 210 in 2020, it makes the PER will be 15.25. So in aspect of price, it has increased slightly from 3,170 at the end of 2019 to 3,200 at the end of 2020. But in aspect of EPS, it has increased, which made the PER decrease, and then historically, PER from Telkom from 2016 until 2018 always above 20, but in 2019 and 2020 still below 20. Furthermore, in aspect of PV or book value, in 2020 of 1,219 and making the PPV 2.63 times. it can be said that the EV is quite low compared to previous years where the EV reached 3. Then in aspect of DER in 2020, it is 1.05 times, which means it has reached number 1, which has never reached number 1 before. In aspect of return on equity in 2020, 17.22% is still good, and historically from 2016 until 2020, it has always been more than 13%.
Now, in the future, Telkomsel will release 5G. Telkomsel is the first provider in Indonesia to launch a 5G internet network for the first time. Reportedly, the 5G network will be carried out in a limited manner at several points in Jabodetabek areas and other areas. Telkomsel first test in 5G networks during the 2018 Asian Games held in Jakarta and Palembang. And it has been approved and it get a proper description. It means if Telkomsel soon get a 5G, Telkomsel will get a big project and it will be earn a lot of money. We can see from this financial report, we can see that revenue from internet data package and technology service is around 75,000, while Telkom's total revenue is 136,000, more than a half of that only from data package. Not yet, if we add it's in the home income, it's 100,000. About 136 comes from data package and in the home. What does that mean? If the first 5G comes from Telkom, Telkom will get a lot of new customers. So the income can flow here too. And the company gets a lot of money with the hope that stock price will be rise. Telkom invests again around 4 trillion into Gojek, adding to the previous total investment in 2020. Now its total 60.5 trillion. This is an opportunity for Telkom in the startup world during the IPO. And the other side, Gojek and Tokopedia, it's become Goto and can be sold in the market. In the short term, it's good to make a change to get a capital gain, and if for long-term investment can get a good income too. It's because in 2020, Gojek almost break-even point moved from Telkom.
Internet users in Indonesia in early 2021 reached 2,000 to 6 million people. This number increased by 15.5% or 27 million people when compared to January 2020. The total population of Indonesia itself is currently 2,074.9 million people.